Hello, I'm Andrew, and what I have here today is a 1991 Volkswagen Golf GTI. So I've owned this Golf since 1997, I think, and I drove it until about 2008. Some fuel issues caused me to stop driving it, and I parked it and I bought a car. So this sat is now 2020, it's June 2020, and this car sat for the last 12 years. 2 years it was outside, and for the last 10 years now it has been inside a garage, never touched. So fuel was in it, oil was in it, all fluids were in it, and the car was just parked. So I am looking for some products to help clean out the fuel system and get the whole car operational. So here's my little 1.8 4-cylinder 8-valve Volkswagen GTI. Just as I've opened the hood up, this is what it looks like. I just took the air filter off because it melted over the last 12 years, and took the battery out, which I was going to show you here. I don't remember when I put it in. So that's that. Lights are getting a little bit orange. This car's going to look fantastic when it's finished. There's the original seats and the original car. So my job will be to start with the fuel system. Then I'll check the oil, the engine oil system, which again has never been turned in 12 years. And then, as I say, I'll drain the original oil out, and we'll get an engine flush. I'll need a radiator flush. I'll need basically everything flushed. And this is my project starting today, June 30th, 2020. This is plastic and rubber restorer. This is snow foam, shampoo. Alright, here I've got radiator flush. We've got the oil system care, and 2 fuel flushes, engine oil system flusher here, fuel flush, octane booster. Oh, they're different. Octane booster,
that's cool.
And lovely packaging. Fuel system cleaner and the other fuel system cleaner. 2 of those.
Yeah, all of these
power
are
steering cleaner.
Power steering cleaner. Yeah, so these are the
2 parts. Oh, what's this? This is a conditioner, not a cleaner.
That's a conditioner.
Power steering.
Yeah, power steering.
A radiator conditioner to go with the radiator flush. And several nozzles.
Yeah, those are nozzles there.
So nozzles go with the bottles. And I've got this book with all of the products in it. So Motorpower Care is going to resurrect my Volkswagen after 12 years. So it's time to get on with my royal flush. I chose MP Motorpower Care product. I have a link. I'll put a link in this video and show you one of the main videos that I had watched where Motorpower Care performed a very scientific test, and that just really set it off for me as to why I would go with these products. So I'm doing a royal flush. I've got all the products. Well, let's start at this end. I've got my radiator flush. that I'm going to clean out and put a conditioner in afterwards. My power steering. Of course, I'm going to do the fuel system.